Welcome to the realm of abundance, where the cosmos align to bestow upon you numbers imbued with luck for your lottery endeavors. The numbers I offer are not arbitrary, they carry a resonance, a spiritual significance that transcends borders and time. As you delve into the mystical realm of lottery gameplay, remember to approach it with a focused and positive mindset. Now, let's unravel the spiritual essence behind each number, guiding you towards a path of prosperity and abundance. 17. Symbolizing strength and resilience, this number encourages you to stand firm in the face of challenges. 24. Representing harmony and balance, this number reminds you to seek equilibrium in all aspects of life. 18. Signifying prosperity and success, this number beckons you to embrace opportunities for growth. 2. Reflecting duality and partnership, this number urges you to collaborate and forge alliances on your journey. 15. Embodying creativity and innovation, this number inspires you to think outside the box and pursue your dreams. 13. Despite its reputation, this number holds the promise of transformation and renewal, guiding you through cycles of change. 36. A number of abundance and material wealth, it reminds you to trust in the universe's infinite bounty. 30. Symbolizing optimism and joy, this number encourages you to approach life with a cheerful disposition. 16. A number of new beginnings and fresh starts, it invites you to embrace opportunities for reinvention. 46. Signifying stability and security, this number assures you that your foundations are strong and enduring. 28. A number of divine guidance and intuition, it reminds you to trust your instincts as you navigate through life's twists and turns. 19. Symbolizing fulfillment and completion, this number heralds the realization of your deepest desires and aspirations. As you embark on your lottery journey, remember to harness the power of positivity and visualization. Envision yourself claiming victory and manifesting abundance in all areas of your life. May prosperity and good fortune flow abundantly towards you, transforming your dreams into reality. Embrace the journey with gratitude and optimism, for the universe is conspiring in your favor. Wishing you boundless abundance, prosperity, and joy. Until we meet again, may luck and blessings be ever in your favor. Farewell, and may your path be illuminated by the radiance of success. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.